How do you feel, son? Your mom is making dinner right now. A delicious chicken soup. I'm fine, Dad. I mean, I feel much better. I'm not hungry. I won't have dinner. Why is that? Do you still feel sick? I can go to the drugstore to buy some pills. No, Dad. I feel better. It's just that. No, everything's fine. You don't need to lie to me. You can tell me. You don't feel well. What's happening? Well, I was sick all day and nobody called me, Dad. Nobody. Oh, I see. Not even your best friend? Didn't he call you? Who, Mario? He's not my best friend. He's just a person I know. That's it. I don't have any friends, Dad. I didn't care about that before, but now I feel alone. I get it, son. We all need to have friends, people who care about us. I know. Now I know that, but I don't know how to make friends. That that's okay, son. I'm gonna tell you how you can make good friends. Okay? I don't know. Do you really think I can make new friends? Of course. It's important for all of us to have friends, people who care about us and make us smile. Whether you're feeling lonely, starting a new career, or just open to exploring new friendships, here's how you can make friends, new friends. The first thing you need to do is meet other people. Joining a club, youth group, online forum, or getting involved in an activity you enjoy. It's a great way of meeting new people. It's also a boost to your confidence to do something you love. Do some research about what's available in your area and choose something that interests you. If you are unsure of where to start, ask someone to help you or ask others for ideas. Also, you can help other people. Volunteering in your local community can be a great way to meet other people. But you need to be a great listener. Introduce yourself to new people. Ask questions about them. Really listen to their answers and look for common ground. It's amazing. You can also take a class. Sign up for a class at your local college, senior center, or gym. Learn a language, dancing, or a new card game when the topic interests you. You're likely to find people who share your passion. It really works. Or now that everything's online, you can make friends online. That's a good idea. It may seem easier to make friends online because you can find people around the world, especially people who have similar interests. If you're an introvert, online friendships may feel more comfortable. But if you live in different areas, you can't easily meet up or hang out in person. Making new friends online is cool and fascinating, but it can get challenging That's the thing. Yeah, okay. Those are good ways to meet new people. I get it. But once I meet them, how can I do so they can become my friends? My new friends? I don't know. All right. Then what you need to know is how to start a friendship. Friendships take time, but you can take steps to spark a relationship and nurture a connection. You can start by saying yes when you're invited to a gathering or event. Accept the invitation. Return the favor by inviting them somewhere. You can ask them to drink some coffee or to have lunch. Take the initiative. You don't need to wait for anyone to reach out to you and take the first step. Instead, become the kind initiator. Even if you are an introvert, you can do it, son. Also, when you're with someone you'd like to know better, start a conversation. Share something about yourself. Likewise, let them share about themselves. And of course, you need to show interest, even if you're just meeting someone. You can make them feel comfortable by asking the right questions and being a good listener. Ask open ended questions. Encourage them to open up by saying things like, "Tell me more." And you need to smile. Make eye contact and smile. It's important. Smiling while keeping good eye contact will create a positive effect on the other person. Seriously, they'll feel more comfortable and interested in the conversation. Don't forget to share. As you get to know each other, try sharing small but more personal things about yourself. If you're open with them, it gives them permission to be open with you. But don't go overboard. Take it one step at a time. Also, you can do a small favor. Small acts of kindness often lead to intimacy and connection. It doesn't have to be big or obvious. Just a little gesture creates a feeling of good vibes. Keep it going. When you meet someone, exchange numbers, call, or message them later. Ask if they'd like to get together again. Staying in touch is crucial. Oh, but you also need to know what not to do. For example, don't change who you are. Don't act different just to fit in. Always be yourself, genuine and honest. Don't brag. Boasting gives people a negative impression and may be a turnoff. Don't be too aggressive. Coming on too strong may turn people away. Believe me. Ease in with friendly conversations before you suggest meeting up for coffee or a run. And last but not least, don't expect results right away. Don't do that. It takes time to establish a strong bond between two people. It's not something fast. Research suggests that it may take 10 to 15 conversations before you feel like friends. So, what you can do is do your best, but keep your expectations low. Remember that. Alright, Dad. Now I'm ready to make new friends. I'm going now. Hey, wait. We need to have dinner first. Aren't you hungry? Oh, yeah, you're right. I'm going after we have dinner then. Okay, son. I'm sure you will make a lot of friends. I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. And if you want to support this channel, you can join us or click on the Super Thanks button. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.